morning, students. Today we will discuss one problem related to Poisson distribution. The average numbers of traffic accidents on a certain section of highway is 2 per week. Assume that the number of accidents follows a Poisson distribution with the mu is equal to 2. The first question, find the probability of no accidents. Probability of no accidents on this section of highway during 1 week period. The second question, find the probability of at most 3 accidents on this section of highway during a 2 week period. We can work out this problem. The first case, we have to find out the probability of no accident on this section of highway during 1 week period. Here mu, that is equal to lambda, is equal to 2. Therefore, our Poisson distribution f of x is equal to lambda raised to x e raised to minus lambda by x factorial. Here lambda is equal to 2 raised to x e raised to minus 2 by x factorial. Then the first question, probability of no accidents. Therefore, we take x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 raised to 0 e raised to minus 2 by 0 factorial. That is e raised to minus 2. E raised to minus 2. That is approximately equal to 0.135. Therefore, the answer of the first question is 0.135 probability of no accidents on the section of highway during 1 week period. Then we can do the next problem. Here, we have to find out the at most 3 accidents. At most 3. Very important word, at most. Here we consider 2 week period. Therefore, lambda is equal to taken as 4. 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, f of x is equal to 4 raised to x e raised to minus 4 by x factor. By x factor. The second case. Here we take lambda is equal to 4. 2 week period. Then at most 3. Therefore, probability of x less than or equal to 3. Probability of x less than or equal to 3. That is, probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3. We take the values of x 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then substitute the values. X is equal to 0 here. 4 raised to 0 e raised to minus 4 by 0 factorial plus second case we put x is equal to 1, 4 raised to 1 e raised to minus 4 by 1 factorial. Third case 4 raised to 2 e raised to minus 4 by 2 factorial. Then 4 raised to 3 e raised to minus 4 by 3 factorial. Then simplifying 4 is 0, 1. Therefore, e raised to minus 4 plus 4 raised to 1, 1 by factor, that is equal to 4 into e raised to minus 4. 4 square, 16. 16 by 2, that is equal to 8 into e raised to minus 4. 8 into e raised to minus 4. Then 4 cube, 64 by 64. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Therefore, 64 by 6, that is equal to 32 by 3. Therefore, 32 by 3 e raised to minus 4. 32 by 3 e raised to minus 4. That is, take e raised to minus 4 outside. Then 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 32 by 3. That is, e raised to minus 4 into 13 plus 32 by 3. That is, e raised to minus 4, 39 plus 32 by 3. That is, e raised to minus 4 into 71 divided by 3. 71 divided by 3. when we calculate this value, we get 0.433. Therefore, the value will be 0.433. Therefore, the probability of at most 3 accidents on the section of highway during 2-week period will be 0.433.